nicest packaging I've seen in a while. Vosteed Valkyrie, nice little Valkyrie stickers. Those are cute. Dreaming. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, the Valkyrie. First of all, let's just test the thumb stud. Beautiful sheep's foot blade. This is the Nitro V blade. Look at the length on this handle. And if you take advantage of that huge finger choil, button lock, ooh, the flipper tab kicks it out there really nice and fast. Oh, the rear flick, the thumb flick, and I might even, yeah, you can get a front flick out of it too. But yeah, that's the Vosteed Valkyrie Black Stonewash Nitro V blade. How beautiful is that?